Hey Terry, how you doing? Rick Mills with Execution Digital. How are you? Like I said, I'm out here in Wimberley, Texas. I work with turf companies all over Texas and the Southwest. I wanted to shoot you this quick video, just showing you three tips to improve your online presence. So, without further ado, I'll jump right into this. Number one, I want to talk about content. Obviously, I have your website pulled up here, so we'll go through that. Number two, I want to talk about citations, and number three, we'll talk about what's called backlinks. So. Number one, first and foremost, content. Have your website pulled up here. Love the image right up front. Showing a great picture of beautiful turf grass here, patio. Rule of thumb when it comes to content for Google is you want to have a minimum of 1,500 words on your homepage. So, doing a word count on your homepage, you have 573 words. So. I know 1,500 words might sound like a lot, but it's not. At the end of the day, this is what we do. But the reason you want that kind of content on your homepage is it allows Google, when Google bots are scrolling your site, it gives that the right ratio between words, content, and the keywords that you're trying to rank for in Google. Okay, so that's kind of the benchmark is that 1,500 word mark. So we always shoot between 1,500 and 2,000 words on the homepage, and that will immediately do wonders in terms of helping you rank for the services that you're trying to rank for in Google. Next, I want to talk about citations. Actually, let me just show you this because I know obviously a big player in the market and probably one of your competitors is Southern Turfgrass. So I just wanted to show you their website real quick. Let's see, I had that up. But if you see here on Southern Turfgrass's homepage, Turf Company, sorry, is as you're scrolling through, right? They've got a lot of they've got a nice roll of images here, kind of showing their product. They've got reviews. As you can see, they've got a lot of images. I think that in your industry, images are very important. It gives people that, kind of that mind's eye of what they're looking for. But content and words are not only this text that you see on the website, but it's also, how your pictures are saved. So, keywords behind those pictures is very important when Google, because again, Google bots are scrolling it all and they're seeing that again and giving you more authority, and that's how we get you ranked on the first page of Google, which is obviously very important. So let's talk about citations next. So when we talk about Google search, we talk about buyer intent keywords, right? So buyer intent keyword is exactly what I typed in here, artificial grass Austin, right? If somebody types this in, they live in or around Austin and they're looking for artificial grass. Not too groundbreaking there, right? But so when someone types this in, of course, first thing they're going to see are ads, and ads are fine. I know that that's how I found you guys was doing ads, and ads are fine. We have a lot of very successful Google ad campaigns, but what we really want to focus on first and foremost are these organic results, right? So. The other thing about ads is a lot of people are putting up ad blockers on their browsers now, so a lot of people aren't even seeing these ads, and not to mention they can get costly and sometimes can be inefficient if they're not done right. So again, going back to the organic results, once people scroll past these ads, the first organic thing they're going to see is this Google Map Pack, and these first three businesses that are organically popping up. And people are looking for local businesses, right? They're not looking for a Yelp directory or, that's kind of old news. People have learned to look past that. So they're looking at these three businesses. Now, the way citations plays into this, all a citation is your name, address, and phone number the way it's listed on the web. So all these directories that you're signed up for, your Facebook page, your Yelp profile, your homeadvisor.com profile, all these different directories, those are citations. And so what we do is we have software where we go in and look at these competitors and see what citations they're signed up for. We make sure that you're signed up for those as well. And then we double down and we want to get as many more citations as we can because this really lays a great base again, I'll sound like a broken record, but when these Google bots are scrolling, when they're scrolling websites and scrolling the web for, who has the authority and who they should push to their customers to, they're going to, those citations are going to give you a great leg up in getting in this top 3 of this map pack. Now, of course, these 3 businesses right here are getting a ton of, I call it free business. It's free leads. These are organic results, and the fact that they're showing up first is huge. And so that plays a big part of it. So that's citations and why that's so important. The next thing folks are going to do is scroll down, and again, they're going to look for a local business on the first page of Google. So the first company we see, I've already mentioned it, is Southern Turf Co. And I'll come back to that here in a sec. So what I want to show you next is a software that I have, and this is number 3 in backlinks, okay? So this is a software that I use. It's called Ahrefs. I pay $500 a month for this, but what this allows me to do is really take a deep dive and look a deeper look at your website, your competitor's website, and see what's working, what's not, and why that is. So what I really want to look at here is backlinks. And so, I know there's a lot of numbers on here. This is your backlinks. You have 10 backlinks. So that's something that I automatically know that we can improve. And all a backlink is, Terry, a backlink is your URL linked from other sites back to yours. So, your URL listed on other websites, and it's giving you power because, again, broken record, Google bots scroll that and they say, hey, this CTS of Texas.com is listed on all these other different websites and linking back to their site, and that again is giving you authority and power in Google's eyes. And at the end of the day, what it does is you don't have any organic keywords that you're ranking for, but that powers your keywords that people are searching. And so I'll cover that right now, but just to give you an example. So I wanted to give you a comparison. So this is Southern Turf Co.'s analysis in Ahrefs, okay? And obviously they've got a lot of numbers posted here. They've got good strength of their website, but look at here. You had 10 backlinks. They have 518 backlinks, okay? And what is that doing? What that's doing is it's ranking them. They're ranking for over 1,900 keywords. Okay, so let me punch into that and show you what I mean and why this is so important in terms of getting business. So when we go in to take a look at their organic keywords, I want to find that buyer intent keyword that I typed into Google search. So there it is, artificial turf, Austin, Texas, right here, right? Let me show you how to read this. Actually, it didn't have the TX on it. Let me find there it is, artificial grass, Austin. Okay. So when we scroll over here, this says 350 volume. That means every month there are 350 searches for that exact keyword, artificial grass Austin. People type that in 350 times a month. Now, what does that mean for Southern Turf Co.? 39 traffic to their website. That means 39 of these searches are going directly to their website to get their phone number, to fill out their free estimate form. So you get the picture. They're getting a lot of business out of that. And why is that? Because they're ranked number 1 on Google for that keyword. So that's how things kind of work. And I definitely think that there's some things that I could help you guys out with. I look forward to to having a follow-up conversation. Would love to get some feedback from you on this video. I hope you get some value out of it, and I look forward to talking to you soon. All right, thanks, Terry. Have a great one.